Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about exclusive pumping, maintaining milk supply, and managing mom life every day. For many mothers, pumping becomes an important part of their daily routine, and finding a balance can make the journey much easier. Exclusive pumping means that all of your baby's milk is collected through pumping sessions. While this routine requires planning and consistency, many mothers successfully make it part of their daily lives. One of the biggest challenges is staying consistent. Pumping around the same times each day can help create a routine that feels organized and easier to manage over time. Many mothers also find that preparation makes a big difference. Keeping pump parts clean, storage containers ready, and a comfortable pumping space prepared can save time during busy days. Hydration and balanced meals are also important. Taking care of your own health helps you maintain energy while caring for your baby and managing household responsibilities. Some days may feel easier than others. There may be busy days, tired days, and unexpected schedule changes. This is completely normal and part of the journey for many mothers. It is also important to give yourself grace. Building a routine takes time, and every mother learns what works best for her own lifestyle. Many mothers discover that staying organized helps reduce stress. Simple habits such as labeling stored milk, preparing supplies in advance, and following a comfortable schedule can make daily life much smoother. Remember that your journey does not have to look exactly like anyone else's. Every mother and every baby are different, and finding a routine that works for your family is what matters most. With consistency, patience, and self-care, exclusive pumping can become a manageable and rewarding part of everyday mom life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.